Hi guys, it's Karina. So I wanted to talk to you guys about my newest center template that is available now on my website, www.aerialleasedesigns.com. And I wanted to go ahead and talk to you guys a little bit about it because you guys know I always like to share with you guys things that I will be releasing. So a couple weeks ago, I released my very first template, center template, which is this one right here that I shared with you guys that I had created. And a couple of you were, I received some good feedback from you guys, pretty much, saying make some more and this and that. And honestly, it's something I've been doing for many years, paper flower templates, but never have I ventured in the center leaves. I have a couple actually leaf templates that I've done, but like to make them into pings or SVGs, I haven't. I don't know. I think it's just me, my personality. I hold back a lot. Like I have all these desires of wanting to do. I have all these ideas, but I just never get them done. I don't know if it's fear or what. But my husband is like, Karina, you're talented. Like, do what you want to do. He's my motivator, honestly, guys. He's the one who got this whole ball rolling with Aerial Lease Designs and paper flowers. He's such a great supportive husband. So anyways, couple months back, I got myself a iPad. He really said, you know what? I think this is going to take you to the next level. Let's go ahead and get you an iPad. And I downloaded the program Procreate. Oh my goodness, that program, you can get addicted. So I've been messing around and playing with it. No, I'm not familiar with it really I just know a couple of things here and there, but I'm no expert on Procreate. But I've been doodling, drawing leaves and this and that. And I'm like, okay, I think I'm going to do it. I'm going to release a couple of things here and there that I have been working on. And so one of them is this center right here. So for many years, I use Cricut Design Space a lot. And as you guys know, there's always a lot of images on there. And I always share with you guys all the images that I like to use, for flower centers. But again, I've been doing this for many years and it can get very boring using the same things over and over and over again. And I was like, and I really couldn't find anything else out there. So I was like, okay, let me go ahead and, bust this thing out and let me see what I can create. So this is one of the centers I created. Now, if she looks familiar, is because she is inspired by the dandelion image that's very popular on Cricut Design Space. And if you don't know what that image looks like, it is this one right here. So as you can see, definitely inspired. But again, I like using it, but I've been using this image for many years. And I was like, I want other things, other options. So I went ahead and drew this out and, I thought it was super duper cute. And I was like, okay. Let me go ahead and use it on a couple of flowers and let me see how I feel about it. And honestly, it's super cute. So here I layered it. You guys know I like to layer my centers a lot. So this one I did 2 of them. Over here again, this is typically, you guys know me, I love adding a gem. But another thing that I also like doing with my centers is kind of rolling them up. Not too sure if that makes sense. Like this one right here. So you definitely have options as to how you want this center. So I just wanted to show with you guys. So it's only going to be available in ping. So not in SVG. It's going to be available with ping. So you will be able to upload it to your Silhouette or your Cricut Design Space. And with the image, there's not going to be any measurements or anything like that, because pretty much, guys, you will be able to make however, your sizes you want. You can make large ones, you can make small ones. That is really up to you as to how you want to use a center. Okay. And like, as you can see here, some of them you guys know me, I am a sucker on adding gems, or, you can layer them. So, I mean, you can definitely do a lot with these. So I just wanted to share with you guys my newest ping center. So she is available on my website, www.aerialleasedesigns.com. I definitely have more coming. along with a couple of leaf templates that I will be having in ping as well, ping files. But yeah, you know, I'm stepping out of my comfort zone, guys. You know, I make paper flower templates, but I was like, you know what? I kind of want to see what else I can do. And honestly, I don't hate it. I think she's adorable. And yeah, so I'm going to show you guys a little brief tutorial in how to make these cute little ball centers. These are also one of my favorites that I like making. You are going to need a couple of tools, and honestly, I think if you're in this paper flower business, I definitely think it's something you should invest in what I'm about to show you, because I do tend to use these tools a lot. So let me go ahead and grab those and I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, so the tools that I will be using today, so I will be using this McGill foam mat. Now, it doesn't necessarily have to be this brand. I mean, I've had this for years. If you're a follower of mine, you've seen these probably in tutorials, and I talk about these a lot. It's just a foam, you know, a foam pad. So maybe you have something around the house, you know, that is kind of foam. You just need something that has some sort of cushion, because that's what's going to help shape your center. I also use this sometimes for petals. I do have a couple of tutorials showing you guys how to make the petals more cupped shape. This is great. Definitely something you know, if you're going to be working a lot with paper flowers, I love it personally. I do. You can find this on Amazon. I originally bought this from Joann's. I have not seen it anymore, but definitely Amazon. I have seen it. I do have it linked on my Amazon storefront. So if you're watching this on YouTube, it'll be linked down below. If you're watching it here on my Instagram, head to my link tree and I have my Amazon storefront, and it should be under accessories. Now, what you're also going to need are these rolling ball stylus. So this is also from the brand McGill, the same brand that made this mat. And it comes with a set of 3 of these tools, and it comes, I believe, with a set of pliers as well in a little bag. These were also from Joann, but these also can be found on Amazon. I will have them linked as well if you're interested in these. I tend to use these a lot, but I also needed bigger ones. So then I also got these stylus right here. Now, these are fondant. I found them on Amazon under fondant tools. And it comes in a pack of 4, and I think it's like around $5, guys. So way cheaper than these. But as you can see, they are a lot bigger. So I definitely use these when I'm working with certain flowers like peonies and I'm trying to kind of close them in. And then I tend to use these a lot for when it comes to centers and shaping, but these also work as well, because as you can see, some of these are pretty small too as well. So highly recommend with these if you're going to be working with paper flowers. So I'm just going to get you started and showing you guys how I shape my centers if you want them kind of closed in. So pretty much is what you do is you grab a center, okay, and you're going to need, you know, like I said, one of these, and then pretty much what you're going to do, you're just going to roll the ends in. And that's pretty much it, guys. You're just going to do this to every single one and roll them in. Yes, it's a little time consuming, but if you have the patience, they turn out very beautiful. So as you can see, it's already shaping, closing in, just like that. And then what I like to do is then I just kind of like to give this a little bit of a roll in the inside. And as you can see, that's when they start closing up. Now, I like to make a couple of different sizes. Okay, and I do this to all of them, and then that's how you layer them. So for example, here I did not glue these just to show you. But as you can see, here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, as you can see, I have different sizes. And then you just, obviously you glue them, you know, if you're going to layer them, but you just layer them, tuck them right in. just like that. Okay, then you can use your fingers to shape them a little bit more. Add your glue, and then voila, you have a cute center. So I also wanted to show you guys just a little sneak peek on how to do that. I have shared before tutorials on how to do this with other images as well from Cricut Design Space, but I just wanted to share with you guys on that and how you could also use this center besides just, you know, adding it like this with a gem or whatnot. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that. So again, you can find these tools on Amazon, but maybe Google them. Maybe maybe Walmart has I'm not too sure about Michael's. I think Joann's, not Joann's, Hobby Lobby possibly. I've seen them online. But again, these are the McGill tools and the McGill mat. They are sold separately, but again, you can find them on Amazon, and I will have those links. So I hope you guys found that helpful. And also just FYI, this is my template 90. If you're wondering which template this is, she also has a video tutorial on my YouTube channel on how to assemble my template 90. It's just one of my faves. And yes, for templates, please visit www.arielelisedesigns.com, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.